working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day of duty.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeanette LaKentra. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are returning OG, thank you so much for coming back. Today I am super excited because this video is sponsored by Firmoo. If you don't already know, Firmoo is a brand that offers prescription glasses, blue light blocking glasses, and even sunglasses. Yes, sunglasses too. So today I just received my new pair of glasses and I want to unbox these beauties with you. So let's go ahead. I love how well packaged everything is. It comes in this cute, sleek little case, which is perfect for keeping my glasses safe. Okay, so they come in this pouch, which is also a cleaning cloth, and I think that's really neat. So I'm gonna pull these out. Would you look at that? These are absolutely beautiful. Okay, I am absolutely obsessed with the shape of these glasses already. Oh yes, I love these so much. These are so cute. I chose these because they have this chic and really modern vibe that I really loved. They also are animal print, as you can see, and it has a little heart shape right there in the corners. These are so cute. I love the way the frames are shaped and everything. Then if you look on the side of the glasses, it comes with this beautiful paw print. I don't know if you guys can really see that. There it is. It comes with this beautiful, cute little paw print. I think that's like gold that's in there. That is so cute. And the color on the glasses, this is like a lavender color here on the side. So cute. But Firmoo has so many different options for you to choose from. Whether you're looking for prescription lenses or just some blue light blocking protection, they got you covered. These feel really lightweight on my face, but they are super sturdy. The fit is super comfortable, y'all. Like, just look at these. These are absolutely adorable. So, if you're definitely looking for a new pair of affordable glasses or a new stylish pair of blue light blockers, definitely check out Firmoo. I'll leave the link down below along with a discount code to get 50% off. Trust me, once you try these, you will not want to go back. Thanks to Firmoo so much for sponsoring this video. Thanks to everyone else for tuning in. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so. Let me know in the comments below how you like this style of glasses or if you've tried Firmoo before. And until next time, I'll see you later.